So quite an exciting one today. I've done a bit of retail therapy and decided I'm going to get another bike, an enduro bike, because the 450 is probably the best motocrosser I've had in the woods, but it is still hard work compared to an actual enduro bike. They may look identical, but an enduro bike suspension is super soft and the gear ratios are incredible, just all torque. So first gear is probably, I don't know, 6-7 mile an hour, and sixth gear, which a lot of these enduro bikes have, that would probably top out at like 80-90, whereas a motocross bike first gear would probably be like, I don't know, 10-12 mile an hour, and fifth gear, which is all they have, would probably be like 60 mile an hour or something like that. So there's a big difference in the gearbox. They look the same, but they, like I say, they're totally different. And this bike I'm picking up today, I've been wanting one of these bikes for years and years, ever since I was a little kid, because these bikes come with a load of goodies on standard. I don't know if you can guess yet. If you can, leave a comment below. And obviously if you keep on watching this, you'll find out what it is, but I don't want any cheating going on. I want people to guess what the bike is before they see what it is. So, I'm back. Got the bike. And it's time for the big reveal. So, I'm building a house at the moment, as you can see. So, this is the only space I got to do stuff. So, we'll start with the downhill bike. We know we got that one. We knew about this one. And I'm going to show you. Comes with Öhlins standard. HGS exhaust standard. Shiny rims. And it's from TM. So I've gone out and bought a 2001 TM 250 two-stroke Enduro. Here she is. Being an old bike, first thing I'm going to do is check over it before I ride it. I've already noticed one thing, the wheel bearing. This is another beauty of people not maintaining bikes. See, that's not actually. Also, another common problem with new and old bikes, linkage. See that play? That's not good. I'm also not impressed with the shape of that. Me and my friend, we're going to make it straight. In the day, and I've noticed that these are really smooth. Someone's powder coated them, and that means I'm just going to slip straight off. So me and my trusty grinder, we're going to fix it. Done the other side. Here's another problem I found. Not a problem, but So the fork seals were leaking, and that's made oil go all over the disc, all over the pads. So I've had the pads out and cleaned them. I'm gonna give the disc a bit of a rough up as well, and some brake cleaner or carb cleaner. See if we can get rid of that oil so we can get the bike stopping better, because knowing me, I'll forget what bike I'm on and just go plough into something and go straight on. So I've roughed it all up, cleaned it all with the carb cleaner, and now I'm burning all the excess oil off. Now I'm going to show you how much oil is in these pads, because it's insane. This is why I'm cleaning them. I should get new ones really. These get nice and hot. There you go. This is all the old oil that's dripped down from the forks. Look at it. Still a bit in this one. So when you stop to see the flames coming out, that means there's no more fuel, oil left in the pad. So it's quite a cheap fix, because I don't know where I'd get 2001 TM pads from. But we'll try this and see, fingers crossed. Okay, I'm very, 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 very excited. Back on the old two-stroke TM 250 Enduro. She's classic. She's a 2001, which means she's legal to drink in the UK. 18 years old. Let's hope it starts. It will start. It's a two-stroke. Joke. Ready, go! Oh! Not doing that. Oh my god, it's crisp! Oh my god, where did that come from? Wow! This is so unrideable! Compared to a four-stroke, this thing is mental! Yeah, that's right. Holy shit! It's got a hell of a power band.
You turn it down as well then?
Fuck knows. Literally, I took off and went, like both feet came off the pegs a lot. You're gonna have to. Huh?
Sounds good.
It does sound crisp, doesn't it?
Really?
Front brakes ain't doing much.
Might get better as the day goes on.
Yeah.
You missed the electric start now?
Fucking hell yeah, I haven't kicked a bike in years. Oh, oh my god, I'm so fit. I don't even bend. It was fun. Heavy though. Whoa. Oh my good lord! Fucking hell, this power was lethal! I'm gonna crash so much.